Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Tinder dating app. Now first of all, open your Play Store and type in Tinder dating app. And after typing in, as you can see here, this is a Tinder app on your Play Store. Now hit install. Now after your installation is complete, I'll show you how to create your own profile on Tinder and how to use it. Now after your installation is complete, you can open it. As you can see here, the Tinder app has got 4.1 reviews and ratings from worldwide users. And as you can see in the reviews, it has got 6.7 million reviews. Now, after your Tinder is completed, open it and I'll show you how to create your own profile with different options. Now, as you can see here, there are 3 options to sign in Tinder. With Google, with Facebook, and with phone number. So I'm going to use Google for now and use one of my Google account to open Tinder. And as you can see, it has asked for a phone number to verify my Google account. Now, after you have given your phone number, wait for a while and it will send an SMS code. As you can see here, it has sent me an SMS code and you can copy this SMS code and paste here and hit next. Now, it has said welcome to Tinder. After you have done everything, now you can create your profile. Now let's create our profile name and put your birthday here.
That just sign up. When log you that?
And after that, check on your gender, hit next and select your sexual orientation. So I'm going to put straight. And I'm gonna put woman as I'm interested in them. And after that, it will ask you what are you looking for. So I'm gonna click on short-term fun. And after that, you can also change your distance preference. It can be changed afterwards too, but I'm gonna put 24 miles distance preferences. So in my feeds, it will only show up to 24 miles radius distance people. And I'm gonna skip that. So I'm gonna put my lifestyle habits here. So how often do I drink? Socially at the weekend. Am I a smoker? Non-smoker? And do I exercise? Often. And do I have any pets? So I want to have a pet. So after that, you can either skip it or hit next. And after that, what else makes you? So what's your communication style? Phone caller? How did you set up time together? And my education level is master degree and my star sign is Aries. So you can also skip it, but I'm gonna fill this form to get more matches on my Tinder account. So what am I into? You can choose up to 5 options. So I'm going to choose coffee, karaoke, fortnight, climate change and feminism and hit next. And after that, you need to upload 2 of the photos at the start to make your Tinder account. Now, after that, let's pick our 2 photos and hit next. You can choose up to 6 photos on your Tinder account. And after that, allow your location. So, am I having problems on the location because of my internet connection? But it's fine. You can do it later on. I'm going to block my contacts too. Now, as you can see here, I've successfully created my Tinder profile. Now, as you can see in the bottom screen, in the bottom right corner, this is the profile logo. And on the left, this is the chat. And in the between, you can see how many people has liked you and how many matches you have got. And in this one, this is the exploration page. So you can also choose, are you looking for love or are you looking for tonight free date or date night, binge watching sports, anything. And on this one, you can get your matches. So if there are many photos of a user, then you can click on right part of the photo to view the next photo. And if you're interested on this person, you can swipe right. But if you're not, then swipe left. So I'm going to swipe right because I'm interested on this person. And if I'm not interested on this person because it does not have any photos, then I'm going to swipe left. Now, if I want to get more information about this person, then click on this arrow button here, and as you can see, you'll see more information about this person and also see what common do we have with this person. And after that, you can swipe right on this person. Now, if I find this person very interested, then I can super like this person. But to get super like, you need to pay on Tinder. And after that, to get matches, you'll see here. Now, after that, getting matches, you can text them. Now, as you can see, I've just created an account, so I've got 0 matches. But you can also see how many people have liked you in this star logo, and you'll see many people will like you, and you can also view them. And after that, if you want to change the profile picture or add more photos, click on this profile button on the bottom right corner and click on pin logo here. Now, as you can see here, I've only added 2 more photos. Now, press here and press upload photo. Now, I can add more photos, up to 6 photos. Now, after that, I've added my more photos, and if I want to change my profile picture, then I can drag this photo and place it here, and you can do that. Now, if you want to add a bio, you can type in about me and write a short bio here. And you can also add your height if you want to put it in feet or inches. So I'm going to put in feet, saying I'm 6'2". Or you can also add languages, saying that you can speak German, Greek, and French. You can also put if you have any family plans. So I'm going to put not sure yet. Are you vaccinated? I am vaccinated. And you can also choose your personality type. And you can also choose about what do you find or what are you interested when you're going out, or what are your plans for your weekends, and many more. You can also put your job title here, company name, your school you went, where are you living, and you can also connect your Instagram account in your Tinder account and also your Spotify profile here. You can also change your sexual orientation later on, or you can also change your gender. Now, after you have completed your profile, press back. Then, as you can see here, your profile is 85% completed. Now, if you want to change your distance preferences or age preferences or your location, then click on the settings logo that is on top right corner and scroll down. As you can see, discover settings, location. Now, click on this and put add new location. Now you need to buy Tinder for it, but you can put whatever it is here. And after that, to change your distance preferences, you can put up to 100 miles, but I'm going to put up to 27 miles because it is very near for me to get know the people near me. And I can also put my age range to show 19 to 30 age users on my Tinder feed account. Now, after all that, if you want to delete your Tinder account, then scroll down here and press delete account. Now, press on delete account again, and you can choose any options to delete your account. And if you want to log out, just press log out, and you can either choose these options and it will log you out. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.